Lion dance is a form of traditional dance in Chinese culture in which performers mimic a lion's movements in a lion costume. The lion dance is often mistakenly referred to as a dragon dance. An easy way to tell the difference is that a lion is operated by two persons while a dragon needs more persons. Also, in a lion dance, the performers' faces are covered since they are inside the lion. In a dragon dance, the performers can be seen since the dragon is held upon poles. Basic lion dance fundamental movements can be found in most Chinese martial arts. The story goes that once upon a time a monk had a dream in which there were many sorrows and evils plaguing the land. The monk prayed and asked the gods how he could prevent these evils from occurring. The gods told him that a lion would protect them and fight back the evils. The Chinese people had never seen a lion before, but had heard stories that the lion was the king of all the other animals. So the monk combined all the lucky or magical animals he could think of and so made a lion.
This is Indian music.
Oh, Indian music.
This is Indian music. Your rehearsal is for lion dance.
Yep.
Okay, for school. You are practicing it for school function.
No.
It's
Outside function also.
okay, outside function also. This is called lion dance.
Yep.
Yeah.
And the beats which you are actually giving, that was Singapore beats.
Actually,
Traditional.
mostly made,
All traditional beats.
Yeah,
yeah,
traditional.
came from China.
Okay, this is Indian rock star.